I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it.
Good morning and welcome to our vlog. My name is Clarissa and we are OurFunCircus and we're gonna have a great day. Thanks so much for choosing our video.
Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm.
Good morning. We're off to school. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go to school. It is so cold out. It's like 5 degrees. Oh my goodness.
All your wishes tonight come true.
I just dropped the girls off to school. They were rushing out of the car. I did not get them getting out of the car, but they were very excited to be back at school. Today, Charlie has Grinch Day, and she's so excited. She's wearing some green today. Like I said yesterday, she has Spirit Week all week just for first grade, where they have fun, different things going on each day. And Sam has a party next week, so exciting. I can't believe Christmas is right around the corner. It is just flying by. But are you ready for Christmas yet? I still have a little bit of wrapping to do, but I feel like I accomplished a lot in the last few days and I'm feeling really good, but I know it's going to happen really quick. So 7 degrees, you gotta love this kind of weather.
The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses.
And the day has just flown by and it's time to go get the girls. How was Grinch Day? Wow, Zane is just like so happy to see them.
I made this.
I love that. So nice. Sam, how was your day?
Good.
Good. What did you do?
Things.
Did you have music or anything?
I had gym.
You had gym? Nice.
I got 3rd place in the volleyball tournament.
Wow. Cool. The Grinch is in my car. Oh no. The North Pole?
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. It's even sealed. Wow. What is that?
It says, I am moths,
Ooh.
frogs. Oh, this is for Charlie. Charlie. Zane.
Ooh, there's fun things for you all to do. That's awesome. Hey. Wow, that's so awesome. What does it say? What does that say?
It says, official document from the North Pole. This is a notice from you that Zane Monroe has been placed on the nice list. Keep the good behavior and list twice. Authorized signature Santa Claus.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Wow, that's so cool. What do you guys say?
Thank you.
24 gifts of Christmas. No, let him do it.
Oh.
Good job. Good job, bud.
What's in it?
Can you just dump it out? Wow, you got your own box of candy? Wow. Zane didn't open any yesterday, so that's why he did too. Wow, look at all those truffles.
My turn. Wait. Want to open?
2 today because he didn't do one yesterday. Wow! Sam's turn.
I got another white little tree. My turn. I got another tree.
Ooh.
My turn.
Okay, go ahead, Charlie.
Wrapped up.
Okay. Ooh, what's the first one that's wrapped up?
It's a Pop-Tart.
Cool. That's awesome. You've never got food before, have you?
No. I think it goes with my camp food.
So
It'll go
nice.
with my
Charlie, what are you going to make?
hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, and she was determined not to have it on the naughty side. This is double-sided, and I just thought that was too funny. Let's have some hot cocoa. Ooh, yumminess. Enjoy. Making some chicken nuggets and french fries for the kids for dinner tonight. Yummy, yummy. While that's cooking, I'm gonna get these dishes done. That way we can put the dinner dishes in right after we're done having dinner. I try to set myself up each night. That way I feel better in the morning, not having a sink full of dishes.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight.
Where's Zane? Where is Zane? Where? Ah, there he is. Where is Zane? Oh, where's Charlie and Zane? Oh, where's Charlie and Zane? Oh, where are you guys? Where's Charlie and Zane? Oh!
'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down for a long good nap.
This is a book that my parents made the girls a few years ago, the night before Christmas, and their voice is recorded reading it to them. We will cherish this for many years to come, and I'm so glad we have it. Definitely missing him.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach.
A little bit of snow tonight. We're supposed to be getting quite a bit, so let's see if the kids have a snow day. That would be awesome. Good night, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you decide to join our YouTube family, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.